to my YouTube channel. My name is Tomomi Galliano, certified Zentangle teacher. Today is day 6 of Inktober 2023. Today's tangle is Imaritas by Debbie New CZT from Singapore. And let's start. So you can follow the step out that Debbie published on her blog by following the links from the comment section of this video that has the list of Inktober 2023 tangles published by Stephanie Jennifer. Stephanie and Debbie's are good friends, and they are running a studio called 7F5R in Singapore, doing a lot of things for the Zentangle community. So this tangle, Imaritas, starts with this kind of like a grain-like shape. By the way, I didn't do any border or anything, any pencil work to begin with. I'm just going in with this beautiful organic design that kind of looks like this. And then you create a center line, and then you divide this like this. Okay, and then let's see, you're gonna have another shape just like this, but maybe looks like she's only doing kind of heart-like shape, because you're kind of looking at it from the side or trying to get the dimension. So this tangle is inspired by a pottery design, Imari pottery, which is from Japan. They use a lot of red inks and I think blue inks too, and a gold. They're pretty gorgeous pottery, painted pottery that we have in Japan. So this is Imaritas, and I think you put a little bit of ink here, weight here to, maybe I'll put here to turn this into more of a like a pointed shape instead of just the center line and some, I don't know, aura lines. So this is going to turn this shape into more of a shape like this. And I'm just going to add a little more to match with this shape here. So I started rather small this time instead of taking up the whole space. So this is pretty intricate. So if you want, you can draw bigger, or you can draw a big one, a small one. So the list of Inktober tangles, I believe this was printed as Imaritas, but I think according to Debbie's blog, I think it is, she's calling this Imaritas, inspired by Imari pottery. And whenever I see those painted pottery, I'm just so mesmerized by it and inspired by it. And you know, it's hard enough to paint on a flat surface, and those painters who works on pottery pieces, they work on a curved surface, and they add so many intricate details, and just so, I don't know, so impressive and so inspiring. Add a bigger one here. And most of the Inktober tangle videos that I'm filming, I'm mostly doing it for myself, kind of keeping record of what I'm creating, and hopefully someone else enjoys it and benefit from what I'm learning and what I'm struggling. So I'm grateful that you are, if you're watching this and if you're tangling with me, I'm grateful that you are spending time with me. Oops, I wanted to go this way, but kind of, oh well, that happens, right? I don't know if I quite alive the shape I liked yet, but just giving myself few opportunity to practice this, and perhaps it makes better sense for you to go in upside down. You know, sometimes that helps too. You may get different shape by approaching the same tangle upside down. This works better for me if I see this upside down. I think because the reason why this works better for me upside down is when I see this shape initially, I thought of a hop plant. So that's kind of the look that I'm going for now. Maybe I'll add, I don't know, stem. To make it look like a hop. If you don't know what hop is, I mean, this kind of sort of look like this, not exactly, but kind of sort of look like this, and it's a beautiful viney plant that's essential for beer making. So anybody who loves beer knows all about hop, and it's such a beautiful to look at, and also very aromatic plant. It's a really nice plant to have in your garden too. And you don't have to be a beer drinker to enjoy hop. It's a beautiful plant. I don't know if it's an arable plant, I'm not sure, but it's really fun to grow hop. And some of my friends back in the States, they grew their own hop and they brewed their own beer. You know, you have to get license and all that, but I'm sure it's fun to brew your own beer. Maybe someday when I retire, I will start brewing my own beer. Who knows? But for now, and I think I'm good with this. Maybe one more, a few more. Maybe I'll add a few more vines here. And this one goes behind here. I'm good with this, and I think I'm gonna give it a little more flame or border. And then I'm gonna give a little bit of a shading here where all the kind of leaves or petals are coming out. I'm gonna add heavy shading here. Oops, I'm starting to go off camera. Sometimes, as you notice, sometimes I get carried away when I tangle. So apologize if I go off camera. And then maybe I'll just add a little bit of shading here at the base. And then where is my white charcoal here? I'll add white highlights and then around the tip of this beautiful hop shape, Imaritas by Debbie New. That's a fun tangle. I'll show you. It probably makes a really nice centerpiece too if you draw this. I think if you look at her blog and you can see the image that the picture that she shares, that has a really nice picture of the pottery that uses this as a kind of a centerpiece. But I went with smaller drawings today and make it look like hop. And thank you for tangling with me. Today was day 6 of Inktober 2026. 2023, I'm sorry. And thank you for tangling with me, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you tomorrow.